In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the formatting of dates in Gmail. This is a handy tip if you want your emails to display dates in a way that's more familiar or convenient for you. Now, while Gmail itself doesn't offer built-in settings to directly change date formats, we can accomplish this by adjusting the language settings. By changing the language or region settings in your Google account, the date format in Gmail will update accordingly to match your local conventions, so let's dive into it. Firstly, you need to open Gmail. You can do this by typing mail.google.com in your preferred web browser or by clicking on the Gmail icon if you have it saved in your bookmarks. Once you're there, ensure you're logged into the account where you want to adjust the date format. Look towards the top right corner of your Gmail interface. You should see a gear icon, which is the settings icon. Click on that, and then select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page full of various settings that you can explore later at your own leisure. On this settings page, you'll see several tabs at the top. You need to click on the General tab if you're not already there. Here, you can modify a range of basic settings related to your Gmail account. What we're focused on today, however, is the language section, which you'll find near the very top of the General Settings page. Click the drop-down menu labeled Gmail Display Language. This is where you can choose a different language that corresponds to the date format you wish to employ. For example, if you're more familiar with the day-month-year format, you might want to select English United Kingdom from this list. Alternatively, choosing English United States will format your dates as month, day, year. It's important to remember that this change does not only adjust the date format but also changes the default language of your entire Gmail interface, so choose a language you're comfortable with or explore languages that use familiar date formats. After you've selected your desired language, remember to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save Changes button. Failing to do so will mean your new settings won't be applied. This will automatically reload Gmail with the new settings, including the updated date format. You will notice this change immediately in how the dates are displayed in your inbox and on individual emails. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Gmail to display dates in a format that suits your preferences. Remember, tweaking your settings to suit your habits or regional standards can make navigating and managing your emails a much smoother experience. If you ever want to revert back or try a different date format, you just go through the same process. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.